How to study for Chinese HSK2 exam. Are you going to China and you do not speak any word of the Chinese language? Or are you already preparing for the most important Chinese test, HSK? Download this easy-to-use HSK2 Chinese survival package including procedure how to register for HSK2, HSK2 vocabulary, HSK2 flashcards, HSK2 official tests, etc. The HSK2 survival package. This HSK words list or Hànyǔ Shuǐpíng Kǎoshì, Hanyu Shuīping Kaoshi, words list is the name for the international Chinese standard test to check how well someone has mastered the Chinese language correctly. It is also known as the Chinese TOEFL. We are providing you the following tools to progress from beginner to master in HSK and Chinese language. HSK2 vocabularies with all HSK1 Chinese characters, Pinyin, English explanation, HSK2 flashcards, HSK2 official test exams, HSK2 practicing example sentences, HSK2 Pinyin pronunciation, HSK2 checklist, HSK2 registration form. If you don't want the survival package, you can also download all modules separately below. HSK2 vocabulary. This HSK2 vocabulary includes all HSK2 Chinese characters, Pinyin, English explanation. This HSK2 Chinese characters list is a complete vocabulary of all the words you need to master and is of the most important learning tools to learn the language, such as the radicals, characters, and words. It's very important to study the right vocabulary. HSK2 vocabulary. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/n53hx/ HSK2 flashcards. One highly efficient method to learn a new language is by using flashcards. We provide flashcards for each character. HSK2 flashcards. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/98ctq/ HSK2 official test exams. One or more official test exams aims to help to better understand the question types and general format of the HSK test. HSK2 official test exam H21. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/cbnc4/HSK2 official test exam H20901. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/k6e/HSK2 official test exam H21003. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/templates/f6jup/HSK2 official test exam H21004. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/gq8qn/HSK2 official test exam H21005. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/92m8m/HSK2 official test exam H21009. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/7tt6y/HSK2 official test exam H21329. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/4a2/other HSK2 official test exams can also be found on this website. HSK practicing example sentence is a very easy to use practicing tool in order to put the words in perspective. By getting to know easy to use sentences made out of other HSK words will enable you to improve your reading skills. HSK2 sentences. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/lao/ HSK Pinyin pronunciation. This HSK Pinyin pronunciation chart will explain to you how to pronounce the Pinyin Chinese characters. HSK2 Pinyin pronunciation. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/xmn/ HSK list of all Chinese radicals. This template explores all Chinese radicals and explains their meaning. Chinese radicals. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/jacsqj/ HSK checklist. The basic steps to follow to start doing your exam. How to apply for HSK2. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/mu/ HSK registration form. The standard registration form you need to fill in once you start with HSK. HSK2 registration form. http://www.albusinesstemplates.com/template/UV3/ Total package deal. Now, these HSK survival packages are suitable for those with a high-performance mindset and motivated to learn the Chinese language the right way. Our education templates will make you achieve your goal to achieve your HSK degree faster. How to start learning Chinese. The Chinese language is what they call a tonal language since people use 4 different tones. However, it has a well-defined set of characters, it has a simple grammar system, and it has no conjugation. In general, mastering 1.000 characters is enough for handling yourself in daily situations, both in and out of a professional context. To compare with another widely spoken language, English, which uses the 26 letters Latin alphabet, the Chinese language has no alphabet. However, it uses a set of 214 strokes, or radicals, which make it possible to find a word in a dictionary, and to write the characters. The pronunciation of Mandarin Chinese is helped by Pinyin, which is a way to write Chinese using Latin characters. It is possible to start speaking Chinese immediately, thanks to this system. Mandarin Chinese cannot be confused with Cantonese Chinese, which is considered a different language, is spoken in mostly southern China, Hong Kong, Guangdong. Facts and statistics about Mandarin Chinese. Over 1 billion people speak standard Mandarin Chinese worldwide. Putonghua. 4 tones apply to all or part of the syllables. 214 strokes make up Chinese characters. 400 syllables are enough to pronounce the words. Over 1.000 characters are necessary to speak fluently. Over 5.000 characters are necessary to understand 100%. Good luck with preparations. Check out and download this template. www.allbusinesstemplates.com